So hey guys, this is going to be a mini album made out of paper bags, and you're just going to need some paper bags. I got these at the Dollar Tree. There's 50 of them for $1. You can get them at the craft store as well. They are a little bit thicker and better, but these work just as fine, and I've never had them tear or rip or anything like that. Some glue. I normally hate using a glue stick, but I'm out of my other glue, so I'm going to use glue stick to show you guys. This is the book I am working on right now. It's not finished, and I didn't put the cover on yet. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But this will be the first page after the cover, and I didn't do anything with that yet. And I just started doing it. So I just put paper in here, and then I put a ribbon right here with a little rose. This has a little tag, and then I put gems on each of the corners. This one, I just had this rise up for a picture there, and then I have pull-out tabs for these on the side. And you can also store different memorabilia or, you know, writing or things like that that you want to keep in there. Another little mini tag. And then this one as well opens up. Just put little flowers and things. Again, I just started this actually a couple hours ago, so it's not the way I want it yet. And then this is a pocket as well. So that's what we're going for, and it looks like that. And I would recommend, well, I'm going to show you how to put the bags together. I use about 9. Okay, so I have 9 bags, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and you want to fold this. You're going to glue this piece where it flops open like this. Just glue that down. And again, I'd rather use like a gun machine, but I'm out. So kind of just glue that down like that, and then you're just going to want to take it where you glued it, fold it over, and you want to press down on that so it has a tight fold. So it's just going to look like that. You're going to actually glue these flaps down to all of them, and fold them over to all of them, and then I'll show you how we piece them together then after I get these all glued. Okay, so I glued all mine down, and I folded them all down. So they look like this. You're going to take your first 2 bags, and this will be the front, like this. So after you open your cardboard cover stock for the cover, you open it up, and then this will be the first page you see. So you want to take these 2 tabs right here, and you're going to glue those together. Just like this. Line them up, and then glue them together. Like that. So you have a big flap, little flap, and then a big flap. And then you're going to want to take the back of this one, and you're going to want to put glue all on the back of this. Again, I wouldn't recommend a glue stick. Then you're just going to take that and glue it to the back of the other one. So it's going to be continuous. Should have a big flap, a little flap, big flap, and then a little flap. So then next you're going to take another little flap and glue that together. And then when you do that, glue a big flap, little flap, and then you just keep going like that. So you want to take... Okay, so mine is put together, and if you don't want a small flap when you start your book out, you can always add just another bag like this, so you can have it like that. But I'm going to start mine out actually with a small flap. And you can also trim down these bag edges if you would like, but I don't mind actually the little rough edges. I kind of like that. So this one's going to be a Halloween book, and if you want to, you can always decorate your bags ahead of time while they're flat and then kind of glue them together as you go. Kind of makes it a little bit easier, but I've always done it like this. Either way you want to do it. Then I have just this, cardstock paper, just with a whole bunch of Halloween stuff, paper and things like that. So you can just kind of cut and trim your paper. And you can always do it with a template bag, I guess, just for a guideline. Line it up. Cut it out like that. And then that would be your first page, like this. And then you just kind of want to add all your cardstock and things like that. You can add all different kinds of pockets. You can make pull-out tabs like this. Okay, so hey guys, I'm still working on my Halloween one. I'm going to show you one that I have already had put together, but this is the one that I started out with the paper bags. Here's a little flap. This is far from done. I'm going to add some little journaling spots and things like that. I have this little ghost that kind of moves with the page. I just put a little puffy sticker, a little cat, and then I put gems on each of the corner of the pages. For where the bag goes, I have these little pull-out tags just for picture mats or journaling or something like that. I added this little handle to kind of pull the tabs out, and then I like the way they look sticking out like that. Second page, I'm going to actually put pumpkins here. I'm going to have a pocket and just kind of put pumpkins right here. A little ghost, again with a pocket. And I'll just put probably a picture or something back behind that. This is just some tinsel, and you can put a picture right there. Another little puffy cat. And then this is a little witch's hat and kind of pulls out for another picture or journaling spot. Same thing with the ghost. Pull it out and it's another page. This one's pretty simple. I'm going to add another pocket, and I'm going to put kind of eyeballs right here. And then just this little simple one, I'm going to put a picture or something behind that. This one, and then I just put some glitter stickers, and it says scary. Another little pocket sleeve. I didn't put the tags in there yet. This one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Here's some more little tags. This one, just a little sleeve for a picture. I just put two little googly eyes on this sleeve. And then this spider, I'm not sure really what I'm going to do with yet. And then for the back, then I just have this little tag so far. So I'm going to work on it probably tonight, get a little bit further, and then I'll show you guys,